guys, we're going to check Valerio. Guys, this is a new bake shop here in Edmonton, but I think it's been existing in the market since 1960s, guys, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm glad that we already got Valerio's here in Edmonton, guys. Valerio's Tropical Bake Shop. This is a famous Filipino bake shop, Valerio's. Let's check it out, guys. What they have inside and what we can buy, guys. Hindi, ihaba mo muna ang line. Ihaba lang ang line. Yeah. It's a nice weather today, guys. Excited na pumunta sa Valerio's. Kasi they have this in California and Hawaii. Kaya punta natin, guys. Check mo na what they have. Ube roll. O, ayan. Ube roll. Ito, Tino. Ube and saimada. Ano yan? Puto cheese. What they have here.
Ito?
Binibenta yun sa kakilala namin. $9.99. Parang masarap to sa kapitin. It's good for coffee. May siopaw. Check natin. Maraming tao, guys. Check natin anong meron dito. Sa fridge. Anong? Naubos ka agad, oh. Naubos na lahat. Pandesal. Oh, naubos na tin, oh. Oh, everything's gone. It's all empty. Maybe this one's good. Parang ubos na yata paninda. Lab, ano yun? Naubos ang paninda? Ha? Ganun kabilis? Ganito ka-click, guys, ang Valerio's. Tingnan nyo, guys, wala nang natira. Naubos na. Mabilis mabenta kasi nga dahil nga bagong bukas dito, kaya naubos ka agad. Yeah, these are their branches, see? This is in Edmonton. Yeah. Different branches, mostly in California, guys. What are we going to get? Everything's empty. Wala na. Naubos na. Tingnan natin kung anong mabibili ni Christine pati ni Angie. Most probably baka pandesal na lang ang mabibili nila. Ang daming nagbebenta sa loob, guys, pero naubos na nga paninda. Ang bili mo, Lab?
Puto.
Puto. Naubos natin lahat?
$6.99 pati. $9.99. Ang 6 pieces ng Spanish is $9.
Madaming tindera sa loob, guys, para may support. Kaya lang karamihan ay naubos na. Wala lang natirang pagkain. Pandesal na lang, tinapay na lang. Yeah. Itong fresh pandesal nila, guys, no? Sure. Ano to na bakante dahil maraming bumili? Sold out? Ah, okay. Oh, everything sold out. Fresh pandesal. So a lot of Filipinos, they're buying pandesal. Kaya mabilis maubos, oh. Saying like pancakes. Tingnan natin tinapay. Tingnan natin tinapay, Tin. Init.
Spanish bread. Kaya pala yung may narinig ako na kaya ka pa.
Ano yan? Ano? Bago lang? Bago lang nangyari?
2 weeks pa lang.
Ito 2 weeks pa lang?
Yes po.
Ibig sabihin, dapat maaga dito para makakain, no? Maaga. What time you open? 8 o'clock? 8. Ah, sige. 8.
Oo. Tatlo kami, pero
Dapat as early as 8 nandito na para makakuha.
Ano yan? Mega.
Tignan natin tinapay hanggat mainit pa. Titirahan ko. Can you want the bread, Chan? Okay. Very good. Really hot.
Ano yung kalahati? Ano?
Fresh pandesal guys, masarap to pag may kape. They just newly opened 2 weeks ago lang daw. Pero ayun nga, ubos na agad ang paninda. Lalo na sa ating mga kababayan.
Opo, tama po. Yes po. Kasi po sa isang order po ng Spanish bread, 6 pieces. So, sa regular pandesal po, sa isang order po, 12 pieces.
Oh, yun. Gawin mo na 12 pieces. Ang Spanish bread, bakit na? Ilang pieces to? 6? Oh, 6 pieces.
Yung Spanish bread po, 6 pieces, 9.99. Yung regular pandesal po, 6.75, 12 pieces.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you po. We'll go here, Chan. As long as I have pandesal, I'll be fine. Ikaw eh? Ha? Yeah. Have in New York, Toronto, Chicago, mostly in California. Yeah. Yeah. Exit na tayo, nabigyan tayo ng tinapay. Pero pandesal lang nga, pati yung kasaba. So this is Valerio's guys. Daming Pinoy dito, daming kotse.
Gusto mo ensamada? Ha? Hindi na?
Ikaw. Dalawa lang o tatlo?
O, tatlo. Sige na, marami.
Valerio's. Next time, you'll just come back here.
Grabe, ganito sila araw-araw.
You're selling like hot pancakes. Ganun kabilis guys. Sikat to sa California. Kasi first time meron dito, kaya ang mga tao excited. But it's good stuff. That's Valerio's Tropical Bake Shop. Sakay na tayo ng kotse guys at papunta naman tayo ng Seafood City. Okay. We're happy and excited that finally we have Valerio's. Okay, we'll see you guys.
Ito, yung ito.
Sa Valerio's.
Mas maraming bumibili.
Yeah. I-post ko agad to. How's the Spanish bread? Good.
Masarap.
Yan na kami nagkainan guys.
Ano man?
Ito Valerio's. Ito na pabibig ko. Tap. Ano kunin? Okay, tikman natin. So, magkuhan tayo ng food vlog from Valerio's. Tikman natin. So, I already ate the pandesal. Masarap siya. And so with the Spanish bread, masarap kung may kape. So ngayon, bagong isipan niya, kukunin pa din niya ensamada. Sige. Excited na makakain guys. Okay guys, nandun na si Mrs. Bumili siya ng ensamada. I think nakakuha naman siya. Yes. Lab, mabuti hindi ka naubusan, Lab.
Ha?
Buti naubusan ensamada.
Isa na lang.
Hala, tikman nga natin. Let's taste. Ngayon, ubusog na
lang
tayo.
yan, naiwan.
Si Christine bumibili pa ng barbecue.
Ah.
Tikman natin.
Plain
We'll have a food vlog about ensamada from Valerio's. Ate tayo, Lab. Hindi ko maubos.
It's okay.
Hindi, konti lang ako magtinapay, Lab.
Yeah, just put it here.
Ate na lang.
Oo, sige. It's good, sabi nila.
Mm.
Sa isa sa syllable.
Isa sa syllable
Pero
itong
sobrang naman.
ensamada.
Can you, put it inside. Sige pa more. Good?
Okay, tikman natin. Daming tao. Guys, tikman natin ensamada kung masarap. Just good with coffee. So, tikman ko ang Spanish bread, pandesal, ngayon ensamada. It's good, guys, not that sweet, Love.
Oh, really?
Crap. I wish I ate the whole bread, pero alam mo yun, we're going to eat supper. Valerio's, so if you want to get your favorite bread, it's much better if you come here at 8 o'clock guys. Time. Punta tayo dito ng 8 o'clock. Till next time, Don't forget my vlog, Prince Bobby's vlog. Bye bye, eyes. Bye bye guys, and peace out.